Hey there, my name is Ken. In this video, we're gonna compare some of the best brokers to trade various assets and even copy trade other traders. I hope this video will be useful for you, and after watching it, you'll know for sure which one to choose. Let's do it. The financial markets have recently gone through a topsy-turvy time directly linked to government spending and liquidity flooding due to the global COVID-19 pandemic. While this has seriously impacted financial investors, it has also created new opportunities for innovative traders looking to invest in stocks, exchange-traded funds, and crypto, among other assets. Seasoned traders will tell you that brokers offer some of the best trading platforms with strict regulatory measures to protect traders' investment and ever-decreasing transaction fees. However, this growing number of traders has also led to a rise in new brokers looking to benefit from the increased traffic. So how do you differentiate the good legit brokers from those looking to scam your hard-earned cash? Here's a list of what I consider the best low-commission trading brokers right now. With this list and plenty of educational material to supplement your research, you are set to start trading like a pro. A little disclaimer, I don't provide investment advice on contract for differences CFDs, as they are complicated and come with a higher risk of losing your money. More than 70% of investor accounts lose money when trading CFDs. You must have a higher understanding of how CFDs work and consider whether you can afford the higher risk of losing your money. So, if you are looking at the top brokerages, here is a comparison of the best ones with free commission trading and low or zero withdrawal fees. First on the list is Naga. Founded in 2015, Naga is an online platform that offers multi-asset trading services around the world. The Cyprus-based company offers cryptocurrency trading, forex trading, stocks, indices, ETFs, and CFDs. Although it doesn't provide its services to some countries, Naga is publicly listed in the world's leading stock market exchanges and supports over a million trading accounts. Naga's state-of-the-art trading platform comes with mobile trading apps and financial research tools. There are broker fees that you can see on their website. What's impressive, however, is that accounts on Naga do not incur an inactivity fee even if they are not logged in for a whole year. When trading on Naga, clients incur withdrawal fees that vary depending on the amount of you are withdrawing and the method of withdrawal selected. You can deposit and withdraw your money from Naga through many ways, including bank wire transfer, MasterCard, Visa, debit cards and credit cards, and more. It is regulated by the authorities including Cyprus SEC and FCA in the UK. Due to the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission regulation, investors have up to €20,000 protection. The UK regulator, on the other hand, protects up to €85,000. Account openings on Naga require a minimum deposit of $250. Higher minimum deposits come with additional premium services that traders can take advantage of. These premiums may not be freely offered on other platforms. Relatively, Naga's minimum deposit is nothing compared to the industry averages. Some brokers require as high as $10,000 as a minimum deposit. The minimum account deposit attracts zero fees on this platform, which usually varies depending on your payment method. Talking about Naga features, this is a social investing platform with over 1,000 4-star reviews on Trustpilot, registered with the Financial Conduct Authority and the Cyprus SEC. It offers more than 950 instruments to trade with over a million registered traders. It has user-friendly platforms, education and trading tools, as well as large and supportive community. Worth mentioning that it has a demo account for training purposes, zero deposit fees and zero inactivity fees, the minimum deposit of $250, and the coolest feature is that you can copy other professional traders via auto copy feature. Next on the list is eToro. eToro was formed in 2007 and has grown to become the largest international broker with over 20 million traders. It provides traders with commission-free trading on stocks and ETFs. The platform offers a wide range of products, including stocks, crypto, indices, forex, and commodities. It is also regulated by Cyprus SEC and FCA. eToro has an active social community stream using the Open Book. It gives users access to discussion groups. The platform charges zero fees when you open or close a stock trade This is only for the non-leveraged positions. Additionally, traders on eToro can enjoy no markup, zero ticket fees, and free account management. Besides, with few restrictions, client can enjoy large trade amounts on stocks. It is worth noting that eToro's USD-based accounts incur a flat rate fee of $5 on withdrawals. Unfortunately, deposits made in other currencies will have to incur an additional conversion fee. eToro is a multi-asset platform that allows you to invest in stocks and crypto assets as well as trading CFD assets. Talking about features, it has zero commission on stocks and low transaction fees, wide range of products including forex, crypto, CFDs, stocks, and indices. It is regulated by FCA, Cyprus SEC, and ASIC. Minimum deposit amounts of $200, and it also has a demo account for beginner traders to do some training. It charges a $10 inactivity fee for accounts that stay logged out for a year. Copy portfolios are designed to minimize your risk long-term while pointing you towards new opportunities. There is also copy trading and fractional shares are available on eToro. Next broker I want to talk about is Degiro. Degiro is a privately owned discount broker that was founded in 2008 in the Netherlands. The Dutch online trade platform is popular for its low trading fees and fee monthly ETF trades. Some of the top-tier authorities regulating Degiro operations include the Dutch Central Bank (DNB) and Netherlands Authority for Financial Markets (AFM). Additionally, the company is duly registered by the Amsterdam-based Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Degiro provides its users with bonds, options, stocks, ETFs, leverage products, and futures. You'll get access to about 50 world exchanges on this platform. If the company's claim on their website is anything to go by, they have industry-leading commission rates and a trading platform suitable for beginner trading. If you are looking to cut on costs while trading, Degiro offers an easy-to-use platform worth considering. Trading fees on Degiro are among the lowest, but you can only enjoy one monthly commission-free ETF irrespective of your trade size. The good news is that Degiro has zero deposit fees and no limit on the account minimums. What's more, it doesn't charge you for withdrawing earnings from the platform. Degiro is also one of the cheapest platforms for account maintenance. There is zero annual maintenance and custody fee charged. On the other hand, just like many other brokers, Degiro charges a small fee on international ETF trading. The charge includes a €2 cost in addition to 0.03% of the value of your order. The charges on stock trading vary widely, but they are lower than the industry averages. Talking about Degiro futures, it has low trading fees. Products on offer include bonds, options, futures, shares, leverage products, regulated by AFM. There is no minimum account deposits, no inactivity fee, 24-hour trading, and it supports several currencies. So in conclusion, online trading allows you to invest your money in products whose performance you can track in real time. Different brokerage firms vary in the way they charge for their services. These charges can be a deal breaker when it comes to choosing your ideal platform. Every platform outstands in its own way and work hard on providing the best features for its users. That said, your favorite platform should be based on your needs. Generally, the brokers mentioned above provide the industry's best services. Let me know in the comments which investing platform you use. Here are more other videos about personal finance and investments for you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.